In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. To get this done, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove both of the mounting screws that bolt the wiper onto the arm. Try not to lose these because they're very small. As you can see, this pulls away now, but try to get this screw out so you can reuse it. There we go. Once you have this off, this piece will have to be pulled off of the old wiper. A lot of times it'll get stuck on that, but this is important because it helps locate the wiper in its park position. That's what it's called when it's all the way down. At this point, you can dispose of your old wiper, grab the new one, and line up these two mounting holes with these right here. But not just that, if you flip it over, you'll notice that there's this tab right here underneath. That also has to line up. So pay attention to that. Now line all of this up with the wiper arm. Once you have one of the mounting holes lined up, try to thread this in. I got this one started. I'm going to get it close, not going to fully tighten it yet. There we go. Get that one close. Line up the second one. Start this one in as well. Now you can snug them up. They are very small though, so be careful because if you over tighten them and strip the threads, you'll need a whole new wiper arm. These are tight, so you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.